Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Shumatt live streaming. I'm the live streamer Caitlin. Today I would like to share with you one of our valve assembly and to take a look at here. Firstly, you will see the outside packages, this kind of VCINT roast bag, and then this is the label. Label information is the product code. F00RJ01692 is the 120 series. And I want to mention that for this kind of logo labeled packages, etc., we support customized service. The inside we use this kind of plastic bottles to package it, and it can be avoid some damages during the transportation. Inside, we use this kind of oil paper to wrap it up, and that's the valve assembly. And for this one, this is the F00RJ01692 120 series, and actually we're not only selling this whole valve assembly, we also selling the separate ones, such as the valve cap and the valve rods. And if you see clearly, you will find in this valve cap, they're cut with the coating figures here. And this is the valve rods. 6 months warranty time. In this period, if you're not set with the quality, we can return or exchange the product for you. Okay, so much for that. At here, Caitlin has 3 tips I want to share with you about this valve assembly. The first one, clean it with the oil. The second one is make sure the valve cap in the right position. The third one is make sure the valve roll can be moved smoothly of the injector body. That's all the tips I want to share with you. And so much for today. Any questions, please make comments, let me know about it. Thank you for watching. See you.